little video on how to service or clean your dishwasher. Now this is not a video for a serviceman, this is a video for you so that you can work out just how to do some basic maintenance. Often you'll get a dishwasher that seems to be getting a lot of food going through it, or it's not clearing the food out. They do have filters in them, and it's important to give them a clean. So down here we pull the bottom tray out, and this filter here, it actually turns in the anti-clockwise direction, and then you can lift that out, and that's one of the places. You look inside, look at that, we've got some stalks of bits of vegetable and things in there. So we'll give that a clean, but also this also lifts out, and if you've particularly if you've got serviettes and things, a bit paper gets left in, that can all get caught up on that. Again, there's a bit on there, and then this filter here. Now it's all designed to self-clean, but as you can see, bits of stuff does build up, and it's all very simple to put back in again. Take it all out, have a look in there, and see if there's anything that needs to be cleaned out in there as well. And I'll give those a clean, and then we'll put it all back together. Now a brush is ideal for cleaning these things down, but a lot of times you'll find this muck's all pretty clean. It's been washed, sorry, from the dishwasher. Yeah, you give that a run with a brush. I'll do that. You need 2 hands to do that. But this here, those stalks, just give that a rinse out. And again in here, even just a bit of a hose running down that inside edge will wash it off. But I'll just give it all a brush, and then we'll have a look. Here's this filter here. I've just given a very quick light brush to a couple of the sides. You can see that's cleared up. And this one here, that's what it was like. So you see that the muck just does build up on there and blocks how much water goes through. So that's really going to affect your wash. So if you've had something which is built up on that, this doesn't have to be washed very often, but as you can see, it does need a wash. Okay, so there we go, giving it a brush, and it's all beautiful and clean now. Same with this guy. So you can see the same way you can see through that now, the water's going to pass through a lot quicker. So that will actually affect your wash, how clean things are coming out. Because when it's trying to rinse, if there's food and muck in there, when it thinks it's getting nice clean rinse water, it's actually all a bit mucky. Here we go. So we'll put it back in order. So that goes in first. It's that big filter, and a lot of these, thinking, oh, that's only one brand, but a lot of these are actually really, really similar. And then that goes over the top. Absolutely straightforward to get in and out. That's all done. Don't be scared of it. Give it a go. And there we go. You've given the filters a clean and ready for the next step.